Starting a business without any capital is challenging, but with a strategic approach and leveraging modern tools and platforms, it is possible. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started in 2024. Start by identifying your passion and skills to form the foundation of your business idea. Conduct thorough market research using free tools to uncover opportunities and gaps in the market. Validate your idea by gathering feedback from potential customers to ensure there is a demand for your product or service. Now head on to developing a lean business plan to outline your business idea, target market, and revenue model. Clearly define your unique selling proposition, USP, to highlight what sets your business apart from competitors and attracts customers. Next, choose a memorable business name and secure a free domain to establish your online presence. Design a professional logo using free tools, like Canva, to create a strong and recognizable brand identity. After that, build a website using free builders like WordPress.com or Wix to establish your online presence. Leverage social media platforms for marketing and start a blog or YouTube channel to create valuable content and engage with your audience. The most important step is to utilize free marketing channels like social media and email marketing to reach potential customers. Network through free webinars and online communities to build connections and expand your reach. After that, bootstrap your business by minimizing expenses and reinvesting profits. Consider crowdfunding on platforms like Kickstarter and Indiegogo to raise initial funds. Apply for small business grants and competitions to secure additional resources for growth. Now register your business and obtain any necessary permits to operate legally. Utilize free tools like Wave for accounting and Trello for project management to streamline your operations efficiently. And last but not the least, track your business progress using free analytics tools to gain insights. Continuously seek customer feedback and make necessary adaptations to improve and grow your business.